Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines. Michael Thongni chosen as new headman of Erpakon village under Hima Khatar Lingdor Ilaka Nongpo Sedarship. Reverend M.S. Shadap releases the Shadap's clan calendar. Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee seeks Meghalaya governor's intervention to prevent eviction of Harijans and Punjabi community from Yau Maulong in Shillong. And Durga Puja celebrations among Hindu community in Jowai goes on smooth amid strict adherence of health protocols. And now the news in detail. Michael Thongni was chosen as the new headman of Erpakon village under Hima Khatar Lingdor Nongpo Ilaka Sadarship in Ribhoi district. As part of the tradition and mark of respect and honour to persons holding responsible positions in the society, Michael Thongni was crowned with a traditional turban amidst a big gathering of elders and villagers.
Bun kini kepiai kibru kilek lakamon. Rega dengan sini kumta. Erpakon kasaki ya orang bak Shillong ubostan ubotip ya kaupiai bat ubotip ro ya kaai. Tungin yang cekmat kene kene kesanat kami tang ba kesanat kasukit ande dan baro kilap tilki kubang pimpule baknyo dengan start kumong yang Shillong dengan pi. Tene kepor dengan ai pigin kesanat kumpikial ban ngai skema pimpule ka boble untuk rengkat bamapi bat kain bat Shillong tahu berkoi.
Kalau supaya takti mo, takti tak kopom, takti tak kopom jam coba. Kau boleh pun kita tak.
Deh, dah kaman jampi. Lembara kita sham jampi, ini ibet jampi. Kapan langnya na? Kumne, barang ayo yo boleh. Baudan rangkat, bat Shillong jangi nangis kemat. Ngayon yang ni, dah kebas nurit, hati jinglang berduna jangan. Hindi, nama akan kam kentipat, ya kasipong, ya kasuki kum orang Pak Shillong, ladang adan kijing bakla. Kenong kenti kalong, jong pi iwe parap, pilak kan berbisma tanggung tak. Kalau hak Erpakon banginyo snow ya iduli kempan ke bom giksing tangmuri kata ada kecingutku nanti menai hak nuno kan bangis sedang hak bangio kecingutku hak bangilek kemen ni penpau kan ya kata kecingkuan siapa percaya hak ikon giksiu kecinggi bakintip bangidang deh kikasi kibdang bat ya kerti dostor bat kiba borom bro ya kajong koi hendak ingin semua sorong pat ya lah kajong. Ublen nukat lempat pi, bat ke Shillong tau, kadang yok kakot, kadang kiu irak, bat tunjuk kiliang baro, hapok kejing, senyap ke jompi, ha orang Pak Shillong jompi, bat Michael Thongni, bat ke komiti berkoi, bat ke advisor jompi baro, ublen nukat lem, bat kini kibung pi pelajar, bat ngingis kem, banang nes kemat, kini kin pentelun ni kena kam, bat kini penpoi setong jom, bat kejing gerku, kenang berkiwi kebini. Dan nungkan nuksa haman kesenjam sama cing berjongki. To ublei non kat lem bat ni hakane kapor komta. Ublei mangiron kat lem bat ni. Keit kahima. Kador barat bat kador Shillong. Lada ublei nyalam. Nimlong ke bersyempang bat wasta. Kembau kentang yawai. Kaba kadu kalong tung ini bat ni brom marteng. Nimdei banong ba dalapoi sesorok yang kan dah kumai yang poi sukiwi gini tu kana dah kumai. Handai tung nang ban buram marteng bat kata buram marteng ngajong pi dan pelong ikiwi lu ban buram je pi ba pide we bat kan yeng song ka sawak pong hakane ka singi komta kumba hati por yung chua ka sawak pong jung phasi khara unyo trak ka de ba kiyo ban ra jau sir la palang hak terdong bat ke hoi kiu ka bamut ka bakut nama kilayo ya ka sawak pong bat tongin kan mau ngin bat dengong ya kene hak jumut sukat jungi andang la mi na kadeka jinge kut ke jungi hande ke mau king sam banbu la mi ke jing loai ya ke jing puntulun ya ke kam ha barok kiliang to ble ke jing suk ron kalam ngi gamben shibon man kan dei tang ke jing kut ku do ya ke Shillong thau bat iba Michael Thongni bat ya barok na pi kubin shibon kubejan.
The calendar of Shadap clan in Ribhoi district was released by its president and pastor, Reverend M.S. Shadap, amidst clan members. The release of the calendar was briefly held with the members of the clan. The purpose of releasing the calendar, which will be sold at Rs 20, is to raise funds for the clan.
Kalau dengan sobat susu ya kaban keren handi mencai, bangilai pun jemut akan kesenam bagi kami yang keren dah jauh keku sedap kami. Na kebanta baru kiku sedap kami kini bagi mat ya kecing dan kam. Na kebanta kini day kiku sedap kami kecing songan kawai bagi kiku kami kerana kenapa begini lah ya kaban kedup. Kur baru kemudian hanya koi return jadi, jadi temu kalau bagi kur baru kini yo ban siamata beri kam di bangile, bahkan ni kalau koi ke kam kalau bangila sedang ketika sedang ban beli yang dia kelenda, mejibur, kador koi, kador. Em kubalong minta kadut kepada nanti kalendar kedai kawin yang ketinggalan gol jogi kapangila datlong tentang insaf general meeting kapangila yo kadut nanti kadut nangta kita kalong kidan ru kinukit kam kit hot restive committee kepala ketulang ko kepada kalendar ya kapan pernah iyo the first preference kalau nak betai ko sedap tinggi parok iyo benda parok di tam nang ta pade la ai bandi na neman ai sikwe ko agak do.
The President of Delhi's Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, today urged the Meghalaya Governor Shri Satyapal Malik to immediately intervene as the government's high-level committee has recommended shifting of Harijans from Punjabi Lane at Yau Maulong, Barabazar, Shillong. M.S. Sirsa said, the action of the high-level committee, Government of Meghalaya, is contrary to the constitutional and legal provisions as well as the direction of the Honourable High Court of Meghalaya. In this regard, M.S. Sirsa, who met Meghalaya Governor at Raj Bhavan, also submitted a 3-page memorandum to the head of the state. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the state governor, M.S. Sirsa said the committee will challenge the intention of the Meghalaya government to forcibly evict the Harijans and Punjabi community who are staying at Sweepers Colony at Yau Maulong in Shillong. He also said that the committee will apprise the Union Home Minister Amit Shah relating to the Meghalaya government's decision to evict those who have been staying peacefully in this place for more than 50 years.
The Honorable Governor Shri Satyapal Malik ji, this was regarding the forceful eviction and the order passed by the Cabinet of Meghalaya under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Kunal Sangma ji. That was that the Punjabi Basti will be evicted within 1 week. And they, in their press briefing, as they have briefed that they had a tri-party agreement with the CM of Millennium, and for that purposes, now this land will be evicted. We met today the Honorable Governor side, and we have produced our documents, the title of this property, and also the court order from the Honorable Court, High Court of Meghalaya, which clearly states that even if these people are illegally occupying this land, they cannot be evicted forcefully or without the due process of law. The court has also established the formation, how to evict them. They said the government should move to the civil suit and file a civil suit and the civil judge should hear both the parties and pass an appropriate order. So for even if they are illegally occupying this place, for that purpose also the government has to file a civil suit before the civil magistrate, and then the order for eviction can be passed. But this cannot be forcefully, as the CM of Millennium have already in 2008 has stated that this property was allotted to the Harijan Basti Panchayat. And now how can they sign a tripart agreement saying that we have reclaimed this land? There is no provision in the law. And we also humbly request to the people of Meghalaya and to the government of Meghalaya that the Sikhs here are living in a micro minority, and they shouldn't be evicted without due process of law. And we assure our people also that nothing on this earth can evict them forcefully. Nothing. There is a law, there is a stated law in this country, and we'll follow a law. And I think the government should also follow this law, and there is no reason that government should forcefully evict them. No, that is totally arbitrary, because they have made up their mind. This order is with a preconceived mind, because they want them to evict. They want to clean this area. Why? They are owner of this property. So the high level committee, I think they have gone beyond their jurisdiction. I just want to apprise you guys, the media also, that this high level committee has passed an order in 2001 and stating that they should be evicted. Rather, high power committee has no such power. They can only recommend for this. Then we move to the High Court again, and a High Court has again stayed their proceedings also, that you cannot pass any kind of such proceedings. I do not understand why then government is passing again and again order. It is what I feel is they want to communalize this situation. The government, for the purpose of election, is doing this, and I humbly request the Chief Minister of the state that being a Chief Minister, you are duty bound to save the minorities and majority. And while it comes to the minority, they might have 400 votes, but as a Chief Minister, you are constitutionally bound to protect them.
The Durga Puja celebration of the Hindu community in Jowai is going smoothly amid strict adherence to health protocols. The religious festival was organized by Sarvajan Durga Puja committee, and large number of devotees thronged the Shiv Mandir in Jowai to pay obeisance to goddess Durga. The celebration is being arranged in such a way as to avoid crowding and using of sanitizers before entering the mandir.
Ini por em hau puja, em Jowai, apa orang kekil lekat Jowai. Wi ni kita hau pendek miam ni bentar itu apa Durga Puja. Jadi yang agak dulu yang kekil lekat Jowai, boleh ketpang ya ki nong dalam yang ke Durga Puja ke komiti yang ke Shiv Mandir ini apa Jowai yang musiang. Ya ke jengkret sistem yang ki ni bentar pelai baik ya ke ni ke puja wajok man lau senem. Siang suk cucuk yo wa ki nong kit kam yang ke ni ke puja komiti em ke jengkret ni bentar wa ko ngo jadi protokol ki wa deputy commissioner yang ke West India Hill di bor wiki wa penman ya ke ni ke puja agluti ko wa set kat kam ke jing thong ka thong ko yang ki ko pendep ya ke ni puja. Nei bentar yo ya ke cai cekia man pha man miat wa ke jing pendep ya ke ni ke Durga Puja wala naman ke jing lek niam yang kiwi tuang ki jai bru handrai em ko nong rim ko wa kam ikon yang dari India kiwm ke jing im ko lei luj ai ya to wei maya niam maya blai ko em ke jing im ko lei luj ai to pendep e wang ke jing pendep niam ngai skem ke jing pendep niam hi hawro sluk yang dari India man gari bentai jing ko ya woro ikon yang dari India aku boleh kit biang ya woro kiwa ya benta ha kini kajing pendep ya kini kajing leniam ya man kajing ku ni benta yo belut ya kajing si kajing roy kajing siao per ha kajing im yang kam kijai bru kajing siao per ha kajing im yang kam kajing leniam wa kajing start yang blai una bor wi ginong cikri kam yang per ogi pendep hok nei benta bendem kaimon yang blai ko be sibon ka Durga Puja usuk main ya woro.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.